The Bhagavad Gita, a transformative scripture of the Sanatana, or as we popularly known as Hindu religion, offers solutions to life's challenges as imparted by God Krishna. Most likely, you have acquired some knowledge or insight from the Bhagavad Gita during some stage of your life. Welcome to the new episode of Vyomology. Do you know who was the first recipient of the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita? Many would respond that it was Arjuna, during the Kurukshetra war when he expressed reluctance to engage in battle. Contrary to common belief, it is not accurate to claim that Arjuna was the first recipient of the knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita. In the 4th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, the God Krishna himself says,
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavanaham Avyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manurikshvakave Bravit Evam Parampara Praptam Imam Rajarshayo Viduhu Sakale Neha Mahata Yogo Nashta Parantapa Sa Evayam Maya Kedya Yoga Prokta Puratanaha Bhakto Sime Saka Cheti Rahasyam Hetaduttamam.
Sri Krishna tells Arjuna that the knowledge being given to him to inspire him to fight is not a new knowledge. This is the same eternal knowledge yoga which he first preached to Vivasvan, or the sun god, and then the sun god preached this knowledge to Manu, the first man of the universe, and then later Manu gave it to Ikshvaku, the first king of the Sun dynasty. In this way, through the tradition of Guru, this yoga system continued to reach from one speaker to another. But the nature of the cosmic world is such that with the passage of time this knowledge got extinct. Now worldly-minded and disloyal disciples interpret this knowledge according to their own vested purposes. Within a few generations, its ancient purity got polluted. Consequently, the god is read to narrate it again, this time to Arjuna at the battlefield of Kurukshetra. But why did God narrate this to Arjuna only? Sri Krishna tells Arjuna that the ancient science being imparted to him is an uncommonly known secret. Secrecy in the world is maintained for two reasons, either due to selfishness in keeping the truth to oneself, or to protect the abuse of knowledge. The science of yoga remains a secret, not for either of these reasons, but because it requires a qualification to be understood. That qualification is revealed in this verse as devotion. The deep message of the Bhagavad Gita is not amenable to being understood merely through scholasticism or mastery of the Sanskrit language. It requires devotion, which destroys the subtle envy of the soul toward God and enables us to accept the humble position as his tiny parts and servitors. Arjuna was a fit student of this science because he was a devotee of the God. Devotion to God can be practiced in any of the 5 sequentially higher bhav, or sentiments. Shant bhav, which is adoring God as our king. Dasya bhav is the sentiment of servitude toward God as our master. Sakya bhav is considering God as our friend. Vatsalya bhav is considering God as our child. Madhurya bhav is worshipping God as our soul beloved. Arjuna worshipped God as his friend, and so Sri Krishna speaks to him as his friend and devotee. Without a devotional heart, one cannot truly grasp the message of the Bhagavad Gita. We can say that Arjuna is the last one to listen Bhagavad Gita from God. Along with Arjuna, Sanjaya and Dhritarashtra had also listened the teachings of Bhagavad Gita at the same time. However, while Arjuna was profoundly impacted by this knowledge, Dhritarashtra remained unaffected by its profound wisdom and failed to undergo any positive transformation. Do let us know your thoughts in comments whether you are aware of this or not. Be curious and keep watching. Vyomology. Thank you.